This is a drying towel by a company called Griot, and this measures 35 by 25. I will tell you that this is one of those things that if you have some nice cars, or any car for that matter, you're looking to save time drying or without having to wipe with a damp cloth, dry with a dry cloth, this will save you a ton of time, and it's a product that I didn't know that I needed until I got one, and I absolutely love it. I'm going to show you a clip of it in use, but this thing will absorb as much as 5 pounds of water. You simply take it, you drape it out like this, and you drag it across the surface, and the water is gone. So if you're worried about water spots in the summertime, it's going to eliminate that possibility because you're going so fast. You do all the top surfaces first, and then you go around and do the sides, and the next thing you know, you've got a perfectly dry surface, and it is super soft. It's not going to damage the paint. Fantastic product in every way, and once you have one, you're going to wonder how you went without it.